We are here today at Colvin Run Mill Historic Site, part of the Fairfax County Park Authority, and we are here to celebrate our brand new wheel and flume turning and being used for the first time.
We're an operating grist mill from the early 1800s, and today we are actually doing a ribbon cutting for our brand new wheel and flume that we just had rebuilt, and we are grinding white grits for the public to come and see today.
Our water wheel needed to be replaced because it reached the end of its life expectancy. A water wheel typically lasts between 10 to 15 years, so it was time for ours to be replaced. Today we are celebrating our open house, which is the first time that we're using our brand new water wheel. Today's celebration, we are going to be having live grinding demonstrations with our miller.
The grinding process starts with the miller actually weighing the grain to know how much to pay the farmer. And then basically once you have the grain, you clean the grain, and after the grain has been cleaned, then it is milled. Depending upon the product you're trying to get, whether it be flour, cornmeal, or grits, you're going to sort of change your stone setting. Today we're grinding for grits, so the stones are going to be a little bit farther apart than what they usually are. And then the last step is actually sifting, so we put it over screens or through screens of different sizes to get the final product that we want.
As well as blacksmithing and wood carving demonstrations. Colvin Run Mill Historic Site is extremely important to the community because it tells a tale of where we were in Fairfax County in the 1800s and how it's still relevant today.
We're actually one of the last operating grist mills in Virginia, basically, that still makes a food product. To have a mill that's operational and still makes a food product is an extremely rare thing, and we're really lucky here in Fairfax County that we have this mill to be able to do that.